The SEALIGHT 9005/HB3 and 9006/HB4 Fog Light Combo offers a compelling solution for enhancing visibility during adverse weather conditions. Designed with user convenience in mind, these bulbs support a plug-and-play installation, making them compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including powersports applications. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, these bulbs promise long-lasting performance, reducing the frequency of replacements and ensuring peace of mind for users. The non-polarity feature is particularly noteworthy, allowing for straightforward installation without the need to worry about wiring orientation, which can often complicate such upgrades. Light output is a significant factor for fog lights, and the SEALIGHT bulbs deliver a bright, focused beam that effectively illuminates the road ahead without blinding oncoming drivers. This balanced light distribution enhances safety by improving peripheral visibility.